Yep, this is a Maine blizzard for sure. Oh, man. Can't even see down the road. Oh, so much snow in my face. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't know how many states this is affecting right now. Pretty sure this is almost statewide for us. Holy. First we were in subarctic temperatures going down to -15 where I live. And now we have a blizzard that we're supposed to get 9 at least or 18 inches max of snow. At least we got the school day canceled for today. If any of you guys have to leave your homes and you're in the area where all this is happening, be careful. Because as you can tell, I'm stuck right now. Yeah. That probably wasn't a good angle. I don't know how it is on the other side of the vehicle. Oh. My friend went to get another vehicle to try to get us out. Yeah, right there. He got stuck. Oh, so much snow. But yeah. If you go out in this, be careful. And if you don't have to go out in this, don't. Because it's a pain right now and it's not safe out. You don't want to risk it unless you really don't have to. So, stay inside, stay warm if you can. If you gotta head out, take it nice and slow. Let people that want to speed go right around you. Alright? Holy. Well, I guess I should get going. Hopefully rescue will be here soon. Alright everyone, have a nice one, stay warm and everything. Goodbye.